You're also saying here you're minimizing downtime with like the precise like emphasis of the repair, the recommendation, so that people can get their machinery back and working even faster and so forth. I would imagine.
Absolutely. Because when the product is down, number of days, that's where we work too, when it is critical for downtime anyway. When a med device is down or a construction equipment is down, it can stop the project to do it. So then those end customers are expecting that equipment to be back up and running as soon as
ASAP.
possible.
Yeah.
They can get back to their business. So we see our mission as how do we help make that happen.
Mm-hmm. So when I look though at your industries, you do have the equipment, you're in medical devices, automotive, like it's quite the spectrum of the industries you touch with. Therefore, I'm thinking with so many different equipment needs and warranties and so forth, that sounds like a lot. How did your models train on all that, or how did you get the product to serve all of that? Or maybe that's the 2 + 3 years you've been cranking here.
Sure. Yeah, all of these products have some very common characteristics that that's where we built our universal schemas, or what we call our decision intelligence models on, is most of them have a complex bill of material. Most of them have various service procedures, and they have a history of various service events, either it's warranty, service contracts, and all of that. So we understand that domain well, and there is a commonality, all of them, even though data is different for each of them.
Yeah.
So we built the product and the platform such a way we can train on these different types of equipment.
Got it.
And then provide assistance related to that.
Got it. And how was the journey to get everything trained? As in, how long did this all take? I know for every AI company, it's like, where do you get the data? How do you train it? Fringe cases and so forth. How was that for you all?
Yeah, for us, again, because of the advancements in the AI frontier models and all of that, now it has become easier, but at the same time, this data is very complex and data is spread out across multiple systems. So we had to train on it. So our first product as an MVP product, we released it after almost like 6 months. On that, where we were building number of models and testing and evaluating to do that. And then after that, as we work with the different customers, it may take up to 30 days, like anywhere from a week to 30 days to train on their specific data, now that we have automated a lot of this training and the data feeds and things like that.